Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and sharing with you the brand new box of the month from Not Too Shabby. It's the Deck the Halls box, and I will also be creating a card with some of the kit contents, so stay tuned for that after the unboxing. Okay, I have the October kit of the month from Not Too Shabby, and I have not really looked at it. I mean, it's a clear bag, so I can see through it, but I wanted to open it right here with you and get first impressions together. Okay, we have all the things we usually have: ephemera, paper, stamps. So let's take a look at the stamps first. We have gingerbread kisses, have a sweet Christmas, Christmas wishes, gingerbread kisses, 4 different gingerbread men, and we have a star, a little bow, and a gumdrop. I love gingerbread men so much. One of my very first Christmas cards I ever made was a gingerbread house card that was a shaker, of course, so loving this. Oh my, cute. We have some mugs here. The gnome, these are called Merry mugs. The gnome popping up out of the mug, and then a plain mug, and you can add different sentiments to it, like believe. It's kind of in that Ray Dunn type lettering, so that would look really cute. Then we have one with a Santa hat, and we have coffee with my gnomies. Let it snow, Merry Christmas, 'tis the season, and believe. And then we have 3 snowflakes. So that is a cool set. Oh my word. We have some ornaments here. So you have a plain ornament. It looks like you can fill it in with a couple scenes. You can also put different sentiments. Jingle all the way, Jesus. And then we have this little sprig here, and then a snowflake. We have Merry, Love, Snow, Bright, Cheers. Also in that very trendy font. So there's that set. Now let's take a look at the embellishments. We have just a mix of different colored sequins here, so you can really play into the colors I'm seeing here on the patterned paper. So we have that. And then we have our 2 ephemera kits. So we have one that's going to be much different. These are very different feel. So let's see what this is all about. I like to just cut the top off. And then I've got this nice little pouch to keep them in. I feel we're going to need some space to check these out. Oh yeah, so we've got gnomes here. So this is going to, I feel, kind of coordinate with this set right here with the mugs, maybe. And these also could be, you know, standalone type of things. Oh my word. Santa, candy, sugar cookies, Mrs. Claus, that's darling. A bow, a jingle bell, gnome, sweet gnome. We've got a bucket, and it has like champagne in it that says, "Oh, what fun." Some presents. There's just a little Merry Christmas with some deer. Usually you're going to have 2 of each. This is Merry Christmas. Oh, that's cool. He's got ornaments hanging from his antlers. Some snow boots. Those are cute. Got a little scene that's a fireplace with stockings. Very farmhouse feel to it. Gnome. Oh, it's like a little tag. We'll make a little pile of tags here. Larger jingle bell. That's nice to have different sizes. Here's some florals. Merry Christmas. A different bow. We'll make a little pile of bows. There's that gnome again. Flowers, bows, bells. A different gnome. Look at him. See, we have 2 gnomes there. The presents again. So there's the ephemera right there. Different tags. It's pretty cool. And so you can match up some of those little sequins with it. And yeah, I think you could just use this all by itself. I'm wondering if it's going to go, yes, with this patterned paper. So let's go ahead and open up this pack next. And by the way, if you've seen me make the one panel shaker cards, this is the type of plastic I like to save and use for those one panel shakers when I'm done using it for this. Okay, so we have 6x6 paper pad called Gnome Sweet Gnome. We have 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design. Okay, so double-sided, oh gosh. Y'all know how much I love plaid, and this one has a little accent of glitter on it. So let's now take a look at the back side. Oh, this is very cool. I love simple, clean background paper. That's really pretty. All right, I think we can scoot our ephemera off to the side, but know that this paper is going to go with this ephemera kit. Okay, all right, let's check out the next one. It says Happy Holidays. So the happy in black, the holidays in red, and the back side are some kind of polka dots. Some are white, some are slightly filled in. That's really cool. Okay. Then we have some lace. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So much you could do with this. And then the other side, oh, it kind of looks like wallpaper. Okay. We've got some brush strokes. That's really cool. And then the other side, oh wow. That's really cool. Very cool paper. Okay, and then we have some cross-stitch looking pattern. And oh wow, look at the cabin. Oh, that is so cute. The little gnome up there on the balcony. And then these are the florals that are in here. See that? And then you also have the gnome that's in this kit. One of those gnomes is very similar. Different hat. Wow, that's really fun. We have another scene. Here's another scene with a gnome by a door. A doorway scene in the florals. On the back, glitter. Pretty cool paper. Wow. Isn't this fun? A paper and ephemera pack that go together. This one's called Gingerbread Kisses. So we can match this up, I'm assuming, with the gingerbread stamp set, right? Makes sense? Okay, let's check this out. This is so up my alley. 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each again. Okay, so we have gingerbread men with lollipops and candy and cupcakes, a little cup, and on the back side, oh cute, some little paper chains, red, blue, and green. Okay, next, a little blue background that's chevron, and then polka dots. I love that. I love the simple patterned paper. What do you like? Do you like something that's more filled in like this, or do you like the simple designs? Polka dots, stripes, wood grain, plaid. I like those things the most. But this is just like, they look like little stitched gingerbread and just rows of them. You've got your red, your green, and your blue. And then polka dots, white with red polka dots. Perfect. Okay, we have a green polka dot background with that same pattern as the first paper. And then we have red chevron. Cool. Okay, here we've got a smaller pattern. It's the cup with the gingerbread men and the candies in it, and then you have rows of them. So green cups and then blue cups. Okay, and then on the back, green on green stripes. Oh, these are fun patterns. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, then we have white polka dots, just the gingerbread men on there with their different color bows. And then we have like a red watercolor wash paper. Fabulous. All right, so now we've seen the paper. Let's check out the coordinating ephemera and see what cool things we have to match with this paper, the stamp set, and make some really cute things. This month it's all just stamps, paper, and ephemera, but you're getting 3 stamp sets. Can I make a 3 stamp sets? Oh my word, look at the paper chains. That is so fun. I'm loving that. That's a really clever idea. Those you could really easily use. Oh my gosh, a gingerbread house. That's so cute. And then we have a smaller, look at that, little different viewpoint. And then we have a bigger one with the little gingerbread peeking out. Oh my gosh, I love gingerbread houses. This is the same as this, but smaller. I want to see all the different gingerbread houses. Oh, cute. This one is the same house. No. Yeah, the same house, but it doesn't have the gingerbread man peeking out from behind. Okay, there's a dupe. Kit. Okay, this is the same house as this one, but larger. So I'm not, oh, here's some more, duplicate of that. Here's another one, smaller version of that. Okay, is that all my houses? We have a duplicate of this one. I don't have a duplicate of every single one, but I have a large and a small, large and a small of those. So that's super cool. Just look at these. Really cute. The little gumdrops all the way around. And then we have a bunch of teacups that are filled with the gingerbread. So we've got the green polka dot cup. We have a blue polka dot cup. And these are the larger size. But then we have the same thing, smaller. Wouldn't these be cute for little tags? And then the smaller. And you can see how it just so coordinates with this paper and the stamp set. Ooh, loving it. This might be my favorite so far from the Not Too Shabby kits. Oh my gosh. So there we have it. That is this month's kit. I'm wondering, sometimes I think it's fun on these videos to see if I can make a super fast card. I'm not like, I don't have any immediate ideas jumping to mind, but let me see what I can pull together and then make a card for you in this video. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, let's make a card. I'm going to be embossing my sentiment with Vintage Photo Distress Oxide ink, and I will stamp that out a couple times to get really good coverage. And then I will emboss it with some homemade embossing powder. Kind of homemade. I mean, I took some clear embossing powder and put a little bit of glitter in it. I've had this for a while. I just had the need for it one day and didn't own any, so it works really good, and you should try it if you ever have that need. But I love this brown, glittery, have a sweet Christmas sentiment. On the lower left corner, I added a gingerbread house ephemera piece, and then I'm cutting the bag that the printed paper came in to have a piece a little bit bigger than my card front panel. I'm going to snip off the corners, and this kind of clear plastic is going to work great for a no panel shaker card, which, as you can probably tell if you watch my channel, is one of my current favorite things to make. So I used some double stick tape to wrap around the 2 sides. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but only on the bottom. I want to leave the top open so that I can add in my shaker elements. You don't want to wrap this around too tight or they won't shake around in there. So I'm going to add some of these. It's like confetti. It's not really a sequin. It's way too small and thin for that, but it's like confetti. I've had them forever and really have yet to find a use for them. So I thought this shaker card would be perfect. And then I have some diamond dust, I believe it's called, they added in there to mix with it. Then I can go ahead and seal down that top panel, and we have a enclosed full panel shaker card. It's that easy. Now I wanted to put a gingerbread man on the outside, so I'm going to color this guy up. You can see the caps of the Copic markers that I used right there on the screen. It's a really simple coloring job. A lot of the little spaces are quite small, so you need 1 or 2 Copic markers to do those. Like for the cheeks and the stars, I only used 1 color. I didn't do any ink blending on that part, but the body of this gingerbread man is quite big. So I have E15, that is my lightest color. I'm just laying down a little layer of that. Then I'm bringing in E59 as my darkest, and now I'm putting in that shadow area. Then I can blend that out with E39, just softening the edges on that really dark color. And then for the remainder, I'll bring in E15 and really fill this in. Now, if you want to really perfect your blend, make areas a little bit darker, you can go back and do those same colors over again. I added some white gel pen highlights to this. I wanted the stitching on the edge of this to really show, so I went over it with a gel pen, and I think it looks really good. Now, there are no dies for these, so you can do some fussy cutting, or you can use an electronic cutter if that is your thing, and they are pretty easy to cut out, not super detailed, so I like that. So I'm just gluing down the gingerbread man right on the outside of my shaker, and that glue will hold him on there really well. For the back, I'm going to use a mix of double stick tape. It just helps hold down those edges of the plastic, and then some glue so I have a little bit of wiggle room to get this on nice and straight. That completes my Christmas shaker card using the Deck the Halls Box of the Month for October 2021. This is the entire kit right here from Not Too Shabby Box of the Month for October 2021. 3 4x6 stamp sets that are adorable for Christmas, and I think they'll be great for cards and tags. We have this kind of mini collection right here that's gnomes. It's kind of the wintry colors, and it's got a couple scenes in the paper. Love that. Totally coordinates with the ephemera pack right here. Then we have this other collection that is gingerbread kisses with the bright greens. Whole different feel with its own coordinating ephemera. Super cute. So this is your kit. Remember, they sell out fast. So if you want one, make sure you're hopping on, getting yours at the beginning of the month. If you want to make sure you get the box every month, then you can subscribe and it will be sent to you every single month. You'll be guaranteed a box. You don't have to worry about it selling out. Also, a lot of these things are going to be sold separately. If there's one specific thing that you like, you can sometimes find those at Not Too Shabby, but I don't always know which ones are sold individually. So you're just going to have to check that out, but I'll have links for everything in the description box below for you, so you can check that out and really get a look at all of these things and decide what is the best option for you. Okay, I'll see you guys all again on the next video. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!